Hello Ride On people, get your motor running, let's ride.
So, first impressions, 2019 BMW R1250GS Adventure HP. This is Jerry's bike. Literally just had a 600 mile service, 627 miles. By the grace of God, he's let me ride it home with him on the back. And it feels good immediately. So nice. Very smooth. Very, very smooth. The gearbox feels so much better than my 2017. Very, very swish. That TFT clock is so clear, so nice, and the new Garmin 6 very clear as well, lovely, very nice.
Brakes are pretty good.
Jerry saying the brakes are very good on this. I'm taking it easy because it's not my bike and it's still running it in. Wow, so much smoother,
Isn't it?
Yeah, the engine and the gearbox, and it's definitely got a little bit more grunt. It's nice. Wow, I'm a very happy boy. This is so much better.
Isn't it?
The auto preload is brilliant.
Yeah.
I mean, this is keeping me at a higher preload and steering better than my bike. Even, you know, even 2 up. It's so easy to see why people love this bike.
Just another week and you'll have one.
I know. Oh wow, it feels good. Feels much better improvement than I thought. Much more refined.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it's still not a huge leap, but there's just every little thing is better.
Just tweaked, yeah. Yeah, I really like it. The suspension preload is so much better. That just having that automated, it's really good, and it's so much smoother. It's just like you say, just tweaked all round really.
And it should only get better as it breaks in, right?
Exactly, yeah. I was thinking this will be great when it's run in. It's already feels smoother ride quality, and smoother gear shift,
Yeah.
and yeah, the quick shifter I did a couple of times. That was smoother, and just
The front brakes are no big deal, right?
yeah. I don't know if they've changed anything with the brakes. I'm not sure, but they feel good still. This feels good. I know we're not doing high speeds, but
Yeah.
just you can tell it's very smooth. So I'm pleased about that. I think that's going to be good. Is that in the low setting at the moment?
Yes.
Yeah.
Lowest.
Yeah, that's pretty good height.
I can see the low. You needed a higher suspension. I mean, you're flat-footed, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
This is so clear. It's beautiful,
Oh,
isn't it?
I tell you what.
See everything.
When you're riding, it's just like a friend that's always kind of there watching you. You know, it's really, it goes on your mind.
Yeah. I like that you don't have to switch screens to see everything you want to see.
Right.
Everything's there.
And if you hit this, you know, then you can tell how many miles you got.
Tire pressures.
I've deleted some of the information,
Right.
you know, because you don't need it all.
Yeah, that's cool. Oh yeah.
And you want to go to TIFF. Alright.
So now we've switched over to dynamic mode and it's instantly more responsive. Even at 3000 revs you can feel it's got that little bit more urgency to it. Unfortunately we've got traffic in front of us, so I won't be able to go much quicker. Maybe I'll drop back a little bit, just run it a little bit higher through the gears. If you're in the market for a new one, or your GS is getting old, this thing is like la bomb. Just don't even think about it, just do it. It's awesome.
When you go to, I noticed the cruise control in red, it tells you it's off, but it's set at 37, which is kind of cool.
Yeah.
And when you start shifting, there's a little arrow on top of the gear number.
Oh wow.
I don't know what that means. I
Okay.
keep forgetting to look it up in the book, but notice it. I think it means you can shift now into the next
Well,
gear.
I'll drop you off at home, then I'll go home on it, alright? Thank you, my friend. That was awesome.
All right.
I love it.
Where do you get yours? You're going to like it.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
All right.
It was a good experience, thank you. Take care.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate all your feedback and support for the Ride On channel. I hope you're already a Ride On subscriber, but if not, please subscribe straight away. And last but not least, ride often, ride carefully, ride on.